Hi there, students. To cogitate. To cogitate, a verb. Cogitation, the noun. Okay, to cogitate means to think about something. Yeah, it's just a formal way of saying to think quite hard about something. So, I'm not going to give you an answer right away. Let me cogitate about this for a couple of days, and then I will give you an answer. So it's to spend time thinking about something quite carefully, to mull it over, to take it under consideration, yeah, to reflect about something. Okay, so I sat in the garden cogitating about what I was going to do about this problem, to contemplate, to give thought to give consideration to something. So I spent all day cogitating the possible consequences of my decision. Yeah? Do you ever spend time cogitating, thinking about the right thing to do? Yeah? Or maybe you're fed up with your job and you want a new job, so you're cogitating about your career path. So notice, to cogitate on or to cogitate about something. That's the verb. And then cogitation, yeah, deliberation, reflection, weighing up the pros and cons. So after agonizing and cogitating about this for several days, I finally decided to buy the house. Okay, so quite expensive. Yeah, it's a big decision. I need to cogitate on this. I can't give you an answer right away. Yeah. Let me cogitate for a couple of days and I will get back to you about this. So, to cogitate, to meditate, to ponder, to mull over, to think deeply, to consider. Yeah, cogitation is normally a good thing, because if you cogitate, then, as they say, act in haste, repent at leisure. Yeah, but be careful not to overthink things, because overthinking things is a problem as well. So to cogitate, to meditate, to mull over, to ponder, to chew over, to think over, to excogitate, to reflect on, yeah, to puzzle over, to try to find a solution to, yeah, to ruminate about something, yeah. So I told him what I thought, and he sat there silently cogitating on what he was going to say, and then he answered me. Yeah, to put your thinking cap on, to cerebrate, yeah, to deliberate, to think about, yeah, to find. Weigh up the good and bad things about something. Yeah, so he's been cogitating about it for several weeks. If you're in an exam, maybe it's good to cogitate about how you're going to answer a question. Yeah, but not too much cogitation, because normally the time available is limited. So to reflect on something, to deliberate, yeah, to go through the different scenarios, yeah. By the time he finishes cogitating about what he's going to do, it'll be too late to do anything. This is now talking about paralysis by analysis. Well, we have to find the right balance for this. So, formality, to cogitate. Ooh. 6.5, 7 informality. I wouldn't use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then, as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin. Cogito, I think. Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore I am. So to cogitate, cogito, the simple one. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye. bye for now. To cogitate, cogitation.